Do you know the difference between concat, concatenate, and TEXTJOIN in Excel or Google Sheets? This is part 13 of Back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets. These functions are used to combine text from multiple cells into one cell. Concat and concatenate can get very confusing. I mix them up all the time. And what also does not help is that they are flipped between Google Sheets and Excel. In Excel, you want to use concat. In Google Sheets, you want to use concatenate. Concat or concatenate, depending on where you're working, is going to merge all the text into one cell, and by default is going to ignore any empty cells. TEXTJOIN is also going to join the text from all the cells you're selecting. However, it allows you to choose a delimiter that will be placed between the value of each cell. And you can also choose if you want to ignore cells that don't have any value or not. Don't forget to follow for more if you found this tip for Excel or Google Sheets helpful.